Did you know that meditation helps to improve memory and it slows down the aging process? That's right. Stay tuned to find out many more interesting facts about meditation. Welcome to the Viva Naturally channel, where we help you to manage your energy and health to boost performance. Meditation is a state of profound and deep inner peace that occurs when the mind is silent and quiet, yet it is still alert. The continuous practice of meditation takes us to a higher level of awareness. By the way, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and even though meditation has been proven to help with many of patient treatments, it's also good for us to practice in our daily lives. So to spread awareness, you can share this video with anyone that you think will find it helpful. Also, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, and turn on the notifications so that you never miss an episode that we post every week. Now that you know what meditation is, let's talk about 10 top benefits of meditation, both short-term, long-term, and that have been proven by science and multiple studies around the world. Number 1, meditation reduces stress. This is probably one of the most common known benefits because it's true. Stress, first of all, it's not a bad thing. It's necessary for us to function in our day-to-day lives, and it helps to challenge us in a good way. But higher levels of stress than normal does affect our mental, physical, and emotional health. So when we continuously practice meditation, it's been proving to level off some of those high stressors in our daily lives, and even when we sleep, we're able to detox our mind, and it helps us in the long term. Number 2, meditation helps to control anxiety. Habitual meditation helps to reduce anxiety and anxiety-related mental health issues like social anxiety, phobias, and obsessive-compulsive behaviors. Number 3, it promotes emotional health. Emotion and mental health are highly correlated, which is why when we practice meditation in a continuous basis, it helps us to manage our emotions. For example, to overcome or avoid depressions, feelings of many types of emotions that we have, which is normal as humans, and it overall improves our outlook in life. Number 4, enhances self-awareness. Many styles of meditation can help you to know yourself, to really clarify on your vision, mission, and goals in life, which is really going to help you in the long term. Number 5, meditation lengthens attention span. Several types of meditation may build your ability to redirect and maintain attention. As little as 4 days of meditating may have a big impact. Now I'm going to pause to ask you a quick question. Have you ever practiced meditation? And if you have, tell me one reason why you started. If you've never practiced meditation before, tell me one reason why you would start to meditate. Leave your responses in the comment section below. Number 6, meditation increases immunity. Relaxation appears to boost immunity in general and even in recovering cancer patients. Also, a study at The Ohio State University found that progressive muscular relaxation, when practiced daily, reduced the risk of breast cancer recurrence. Then, in another study at Ohio State, a month of relaxation exercises boosted natural killer cells in the elderly, giving them a greater resistance to tumors and to viruses. Number 7, it may help to fight addictions. Meditation develops mental discipline and willpower and can help you avoid triggers for unwanted impulses. This can help you recover from addiction, lose weight, and redirect other unwanted habits. We need good quality sleep for physical, mental, and emotional health, and meditation helps to improve our quality sleep. You can meditate before bed or even in the morning, and it will be just as helpful. Number 9, it can help decrease blood pressure. Blood pressure decreases not only during meditation, but also over time in individuals who meditate regularly. This can reduce strain on the heart and arteries, helping to prevent heart disease overall. Number 10, It increases fertility. A study at the University of Western Australia found that women are more likely to conceive when they are relaxed rather than stressed. Also, a study at Trakya University in Turkey found that stress reduces sperm count and motility, suggesting relaxation may also boost male fertility. Now here's a bonus benefit that I want to share with you. Meditation is anti-inflammatory. Stress leads to inflammation, a state linked to heart disease, arthritis, asthma, and skin conditions, says researchers at Emory University in the United States. Relaxation can help prevent and treat such symptoms by switching off the stress response. In this way, one study at McGill University in Canada found that meditation clinically improved many of these symptoms consistently. So those are some of the many benefits that meditation has to offer. And now I have a question for you. Would you like to see a video where I talk about the different types of meditation? If you do, let me know in the comment section below and we'll be happy to make one for you. Since today we also talked about emotions, I want to suggest a video that I think will help you, and it's about overcoming the fear of failure. I'll leave a link to that video below as well. I hope you liked this video, and if you want more information and tips on how to live energized and feel vibrant to boost performance, check out our social media platforms including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, in addition to our YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.